Alright guys, this is Ray here with Jeeps Unlimited. I am going to be showing you a 9701 Jeep Wrangler TJ tub. This guy was a Sahara model, 1998. It's actually in really good shape. As you can tell, there is a couple of dings here right where the license plate is. You can see that on the driver rear corner in the tail light area. And it does have these rails on here just because that was a Sahara model, so they had those wide flares there acting as a step almost looking type deal, the rocker trim. But no rust on the top side, very clean. No rust right here where the roll bar mounts. Floors are very solid, same with the wheel wells. Same with the rear mounting area for the roll bar. And here is the driver floor pan. Very clean, rust free. Overall, this is a very solid body. Has a couple dings here and there. There's the rear passenger roll bar mounting spot. And here's a couple more dings on the other rear corner on the passenger side, as you can see there. Luckily, on the back side of those, there's nothing there, so they're really easy to work on. If you know anything about body work, or if you have a body shop guy, that's a very easy spot for them to work with, because they can get in from the back side. And there's the front part of it, all very clean. Here's the firewall on the passenger side. And here's the rear mounting spot on the passenger side behind the seat. And here's the floor pan on the passenger side, very clean. Obviously, sometimes some water gets trapped in here, so they makes it color like that. But it's still very clean, very smooth still. It's not actually really rough or anything like that. Maybe just a slight bit, but nothing that's rust. At least it's very solid all the way around. And if you're going to be swapping a tub and you're going to be painting that, something like that probably won't matter. If you're not going to be painting it, just, primer that area, or not even do that. Just make sure you put carpet down and make sure you don't have water trapped in there. That's what causes those. And I'll go ahead and lift this up and show you guys the underside. Alright, so we're going to start with the driver's side underside. Here's the very first body mount. Very clean, no rust. And we get into the second body mount. There is the first layer there of that support. Like, this is still here and solid, but that very first thin layer does happen to have some rust there. That happens when water gets trapped between those bushings. This was actually an Arizona Jeep, surprisingly, and they took it mudding, and mud got trapped in there and caused that to happen. And the same thing happened on the driver rear side of that body mount. Now, luckily this part is still there and it's not weak. Same thing with that one. So it's really easy to fill in this with the welds and get that repaired. If you have a body guy, he can give you the best advice on it. Those are common spots for these TJs. And if you're looking for a Jeep tub that's overall in really good shape and maybe some minor repairs like this that you would need to do at a great price compared to what we normally get for our grade A tubs, this would definitely be the tub to go with. And here's the wheel well. Very clean, rust free. And there's the last body mount. That guy's in really nice shape. And then the body mount right in front of the tank in really nice shape. And I'll show you the passenger side. We'll start with the rear. That guy's very clean, no rust. Same with the one in front of the rear tank, no rust. And the passenger side here, that's the very last body mount on the side, on the passenger side. No rust at all, very clean. Same with the center one, no rust, very clean. And then we'll go into the very beginning body mount. No rust, very clean. All of those are solid. It's just the two on the driver's side that would need a little bit of work to make it perfect. But if you're looking for a tub at a completely cheaper price compared to our grade A tubs, and you're able to do some minor repairs like that, this would definitely be the candidate to do. And here's the tunnel cover area. Sorry about that. Very clean, no rust at all. Well, my name is Ray. I'm here with Jeeps Unlimited. Check out our website, jeepsunlimited.net, and give us a call, 303-666-9020. And if you have any questions on this item or any others, just give me a call. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Thanks.